In this video, I'm going to show you how to give access to additional drivers. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, and what we're going to be doing in this video is giving access to additional drivers. So first you need to go online and actually log into your Tesla account. Now once logged in, you want to find the vehicle that you want to add a driver to and tap on Manage. Bottom here you can see Car Access, and then tap on that and tap Add Driver. Then you just want to type in their first name and last name, and then also type in their email. And once you have all that entered, just tap on Save. And now you can see it says driver added, and now this driver will have access to your Model 3, and you also get a notification. Now their phone is going to get an email, so you just tap on that, and then you just need to create a password for their account if they didn't already have an account. Once you create the password, you can see new password created, and you go back over to their email. They should have a new email saying that you now have access to the app and you have access to this car as well. So we go into the app on their phone, tap OK to that, and then they would just sign in using their password. And we're just going to allow that. It'll take a second, and then it will pull up your car, and then they will have your car in their Tesla app. So there you go. You can see the car is set up. Now you still have to set up your phone as a key. So the first option right here, set up your phone as a key. Tap on that and tap on Start. And then you just need to go to the actual car and use the card that came with the car to activate the car, and that will allow the app to connect. All right, now you can see it is successful, and it gives a push notification. You can tap on Done, and now we have added the car to the app, and they also can use their phone as a key.